You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.
Yanu Mashele.
Lovely jam. I made out. When song now hits, I mean, you play any day, anytime. People go see, they say, I remember this song and all that. Now, so now the meaning of hits be that, you understand. And not be just say we just play the song. The writer and the owner of the singist of the song. He inside studio. Well, time now 15 minutes past 12 o'clock. Now still Friday, March 19, 2021. It's still the Inside Workshop, the bestest midday show for radio. With me, the first voice, Godwin Aruwaya. I'm my partner, Lady Jazza, but the one of Naija FM.
Well, not be just the bestest, the hottest.
Yeah,
if everything hot, look for something way hot pass them.
Yes.
Now we be that.
Yes.
If anything they come out smoke. Find something else where you go come out smoke past that one.
No,
now we be that.
You know, they say there's no smoke without fire. Exactly. So when you see smoke, find us. We did there.
We did there. Now we there behind them.
Now we be the fire.
Now we there behind them.
We get the one and only Omo Better inside the studio. Small doctor.
Yes, sir.
How far does small doctor?
He choke.
He choke. You know they go call you for inside house. Karamin Likita.
No. Legit, I don't tell you say if you want to talk about it.
I was born in Kano, sorry.
Oh, na Kano them born you. So you understand
yes, now.
now.
That's why I tell you say Karamin Likita.
Okay, so they speak Hausa wewe.
Naji.
They speak Hausa wewe.
Kanaji ko. Musadeshi. Mr.
Godwin. See. Now because I want to talk myself. Maybe them born for somewhere. Make it come like your early stage. But the basics still
You stay your mind.
The basics say okay, but you don't understand that kada.
All of them.
But so you don't hear what I
talk. The time I sit down for the.
My only problem with me I get with him is me at school there 7 years. I did for Zaria, ABU Zaria, 7 years. The problem why I get be say instead of my Hausa friends they teach me, they follow us drag English. So they want to speak English to show say they deserve to do school. Meanwhile, when they teach us this language, only small I hear. But that's why she always intimidate me when she speak. You understand?
Why intimidate you?
Of course. Now him be the man himself. Man demand, don't they hear? As small doctor, tell us about your new jam. Man demand. You and Davido and one. This song is supposed to drop for a while ago, but you postpone. Finally, you don't give us the song.
You know, say you guys follow those people proceed.
Yeah.
So they get wahala, you know.
Now international label.
So you guys collect clearance, collect all of those cliché, but regardless, we still demand. Demand.
Tell us how the song come about.
Okay, the song we say I'll be done record I'm down, yeah. So I can't go on show, so David can't come that show. So as they see me, the first thing when they talk say, Omo, I like that your new jam, that my piano we get melody. I beg, bring him, I go kill him. So now we talk with that.
Okay.
So God talks, I will make you go do this night. I thought, no, this night to choke. God talks, I beg tomorrow morning. So now first thing in the morning, I instead they send message. I beg, how far now? Say make you come do this P now. So I reach in house like 10 a.m.
Okay.
As I reach here, say thank God you don't come, but go still waka. They carry me go so many places. Baba, now like 2 a.m. I call the teller and say.
What 2 a.m. The next day.
Wait, days I club. I say, David, I don't tire. I beg. You just immediately just say, yeah, I make with the grace. We still reach out, so you can't see the discuss. You choke. See, like after 4 before you start to the record. So, Baba, as I reach out, I sleep for 2 days. So.
2 good days.
The guy energy tire you.
Yeah. You know they tire from one place to the other. I know they tire. They just carry me go land from landmark go there.
Energy tire you.
2 days straight. So wait, you off your phone? That 2 days where you sleep.
I don't feel off my window. Say my work job. So I don't feel off.
Okay, so who produced that? The person who produced the original one.
Yeah. Shocker. Shocker. God bless him. That guy has been. He don't bless me since day. Trust me.
So we noticed as immediately that not finish the song and then I shoot the video.
Yeah.
So tell us about the video. Who shoot the video? How Nate shoot and the whole arrangement.
You see that guy who they record David there? Trust me, now just special being. Trust me, because you see that time he get appointment for Abuja. Yeah. So he gonna tell me say, okay, you know what? The day where you choose, I get appointment for Abuja. Let's choose the next day. Unfortunately, again, they can't see that MP we go Abuja for the
constant extend to the next day.
So that guy come in PJ, come my video shoot straight, finish what he want to, still fly back. Come on.
Oh, so
wow, so he fly from Abuja with him.
With the private jet.
With private jet.
Everybody straight to my location.
to your
Back
location.
to his P again.
Finish video,
Wow,
go back.
that one day huge.
I
Oh.
duff my head. No be hard to. I duff my head.
But the head still there now.
Yes,
nah.
You need to come out and make we see
No,
say you
no,
talk
I
the
don't
head
want
well.
to.
No, I mean,
Na proverb.
Nah, proverb. I know. I just the.
that's why you no go surprise. You no go surprise.
whine
Say
you.
when that's what kings they behave. King David. We got another king here. King Small Doctor. King
No,
Donkey.
King Doctor.
King Doctor.
Yeah,
King
You joke like that.
King Small Doctor.
No, King Doctor, they here. Okay, so and they asked Lady J for background. Say, how did they call man the man for Hausa? Lady J interpret. What it be man for Hausa?
Maza.
What it be D?
J is day.
D as if I say Lady J, bring this thing. What's it? Talk and bring
Bring
this
this
thing.
thing. How many happen now?
So which one be D inside?
You know tally.
You know tally.
You know tally. You know follow at
You know
all.
if you work.
You get man. You get Maza. You get Namiji.
Maza the Maza.
Maza the Maza.
Someone say Maza
Maza the
the
Maza.
Man the man, Maza the Maza. Okay, how you go talk man the man for Yoruba? Ọkùnrin, I think. Now why I cannot give you that?
I'm ọkùnrin different.
Okay, what do you mean
Man
man?
na baba.
Baba, okay.
Ọkùnrin na just male.
Male, okay. So
baba the baba.
Baba the Baba, okay.
Hausa say we talk am like that. Baba the baba.
Baba the Baba. Okay, when I now hear the song Man the Man, Small Doctor featuring Davido, lovely jam. I be that one. If you never get that for your phone, you never download that, you never stream. I don't know what you wait for, sha. You understand? We don't wait for the song. It don't come now. We need to enjoy them live and direct. Small Doctor. So now, this song don't drop now. I know. Say the last time we drop any body of work album on that 2016.
Yeah.
No, so what more would they expect? When next more would they expect something, even in an EP? Because after your teacher, you for 2015
do
back
EP
to back.
because
Uh-huh.
tracks too choke for hand right now. So we guys put on for EP. Trust me, we will drop our EP very soon. We're putting a body of work.
Okay.
Releasing a body of work like like 2
So,
months.
in the next
2 months from now.
Yeah. So I wish they make it drop on my birthday. So she dey feel me.
When be your birthday?
Na still May.
Na May. My own na next week Thursday.
Next week Thursday. Wetin be your date?
25th of March.
Kokpoke.
Kokpo.
So use 2 months and 2 days. Senior me.
2 months and 2 days.
2 months and 2 days.
27.
27 May.
Okay.
27. In the next month, with Democracy Day, May 29.
For me, I be Children's Day.
Children's Day,
Okay,
May
yeah,
27.
Children's Day.
Yeah.
It's still follow now.
So I be picking.
You be picking. All of us be picking.
Okay, so on your birthday, you go choke now.
You go choke finish.
You go choke finish for that one. So would they expect another body of work on Small Doctor in the next 2 months, hopefully? Okay, so thank you very much for coming, Small Doctor.
Excellent,
Wish you all the
yeah.
best. And you know, say Naija, I mean, yeah, you know how they do it now.
We family, bro.
We there on the matter regularly on that. So Man the Man again by Small Doctor, and they come next. We go take a Scott and come off from studio
Like
We bouncer.
God always say if song sweet, they go always play them a
2 times.
second time.
Exactly, you must play them
So
2
we
times.
they play them a second time as Small Doctor they come out.
Don't forget the video too done there for YouTube. So watch them, make you enjoy yourself. I like the video. I like everything about
them.
them.
Energy. Can't go say na
Energy.
movie. No video. Na movie.
I don't hear that. The video na movie.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.